Well, y'all, today we're going to be making some Dove jalapeno poppers. We went out yesterday and done pretty good, so we're going to make a video how I make these things. And first thing you want to do is get you some cream cheese, some sharp cheddar, and some peppers. I use peppers, or you can use all them little onions. You can use them too. Go ahead and cut you one of these peppers up. I think we got 9 Dove breath. Just do enough for however many Dove you got. You can just kind of eyeball it. Take some of this sharp cheddar cheese. About that much. That's the way I do it. You gotta eyeball everything. You can't measure nothing. Depends on the critters you get. We're gonna mix this all up much thoroughly and blend it all in. Take some Dano's Chipotle seasoning. However much you want, just throw it in there. Don't really matter because our Dove breast is marinating in Worcestershire sauce, Allegro. When we get done stuffing them, we're going to season them again. So, use the seasoning to your discretion. We ain't some fancy cooking channel. I'm just out here cooking like the rest of y'all. If you want some tasty Dove, and you do them like this. Alright, we got that seasoning all blended in. Now we're going to take a hot banana pepper. Throw that in, seeds and all. We like a burn. And then we're going to mix that in. Smells good already. Smells like some fine dining. We're going to come in here with these pickled jalapeños. I love these things. We got the carrots and onions in with them. Gives them a lot of flavor. I guess my napkin's blowed off. Alright, so we're going to take a pickled jalapeños. We're going to slice them down the middle. Now what we're going to do, we're going to clean our jalapeños out. But we're going to keep these seeds. We're going to put it in our cream cheese. We want that fire. We don't waste nothing. Alright, y'all, our peppers are all bolted out. Now we're going to take the insides of these peppers and chop them up real tiny. That's where all your flavor is. We'll put that in our cream cheese. Alright, y'all, we got our bacon. This is thin cut bacon because you don't want to cook critters in thick cut bacon. Use this thin stuff and it wraps real thin on it. And then when you throw it on the smoker or the grill, either one, it shrinks up and wraps around that meat tight. Holds everything in. Always use thin bacon on critters. Alright, y'all, it's time to wrap our dove. We got marinating in that Worcestershire sauce and Allegro, seasoned up. Oh, that smells mighty fine dining. Get y'all in here close. Y'all, now we'll do the next one. Same thing, just repeat the process till you get all the way done. Fill that baby up. Just like that. Put your beautiful piece of dove on there. We'll put our cheese on. And we'll just wrap him up. And we'll repeat the process until we got all of them done. Then I'll show you the next step. Well, we got our dove all wrapped up. We're gonna sprinkle them with some more seasoning, that Dano's. Now we're gonna throw them on the fire. Y'all, into the smoker, here we go, 400. Now we wait. Our potatoes done. What are you doing, boy? Are you the pappy? You're a pretty rooster. You must be the pappy. Hey, rooster. I don't know, it's a toss-up. Could be either one of you, or it could be both of you. Hard to say. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get our corn ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make us a little baggie out of some aluminum foil. A little to-go bag. If something goes down, we can just grab this baggie and go. Fold these edges. This is how I do my squash and my shrimp too. Fold them edges in on them. That way you don't leak no butter out. Alright. Now that we got that done, we got us a nice little pouch here. Got that ready to go. We're going to take the corn, get us a paper towel. We're going to take a stick of butter, unsalted butter. We're going to coat the corn with it. Cover our butter back up. We don't want them heathens in it because they're ignorant. Now we're going to take this danos and season our corn up. Flip them. Season the other side. Now, we're going to throw it in our little packet. Perfect fit. Just roll that up a little bit. Now we'll take some homegrown peppers. Them chopped up, throw them in the bag. Alright, y'all, now we're going to put our dove hearts in there. And our gizzards. Then we're going to take our beef sausage. We're going to throw that in the bag. Then we're going to drop all that down. And since I ripped a hole in the side of this aluminum foil, I'm going to close this up. And remember that this is the top. And I'm going to take one more piece. Set that right there. And I'm going to bring this up. just so we don't lose none of them juices. All right, y'all, let's take a gander at our jalapeno dove poppers. They're ready to come off of there. Let's get them off of there. Sizzling, sizzling. Then we're going to place our corn in. We're going to set our potatoes that we already got softened up and warm them back up. Now we wait. Alright, while I'm out here fighting flies, I'm going to open this up so it can start cooling down. We can make a plate before it gets dark. Look at that, y'all. Fine dining. Our little hearts and our little gizzards are right down there in the bottom. Y'all ain't never made a supper like this. You need to start thinking about it. We've got our dove right here. We're going to pull the toothpick out of them. You better have 3 of them. We're going to set them right there. Get a piece of corn. Get a couple pieces of sausage. Then we're going to take our potato. Hot. Take a fork. Split that open. Take some Dano seasoning. Put on that there potato. We're going to reach in here and get us some gizzards and some peppers. There's a pepper. We got gizzards, hearts, and peppers right there. We're going to put that right on that potato. You can't get no better eating than that. There goes that dove. Reminds me of duck season. Man, I can't wait till duck season. I hate to eat in front of y'all, but that's how you make jalapeno dove poppers. So with that being said, I guess I'll see you on the next one.